Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the delicious world of bok choy bliss spaghetti delight. Let's jump right in. Start by gathering our stars of the show, baby bok choy and spaghetti. Cook the spaghetti to perfection following the package instructions. Then give them a refreshing rinse with cold water. Now, let's prep our supporting cast. Chop up some green onions and mince that garlic finely. Give our baby bok choy a quick dip in boiling water for 2 minutes, then elegantly spread them over our perfectly cooked spaghetti. Time to add the flavor explosion. Sprinkle in the green onions, garlic, a touch of diced red chili for that extra kick, and then the magic blend of light soy sauce, rice vinegar, sugar, oyster sauce, garlic chili sauce, and the delicate touch of white sesame seeds. Now, the grand finale, a drizzle of hot oil. Toss it all together and voila, your bok choy bliss spaghetti delight is ready to steal the spotlight. Give it a try and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.